Okay, Castic Bowcraft here today. I just wanted to show you guys the end result of the barrel polishing project. I was able to get all the rust off, and but there's still a lot of pitting in the barrel. And you know, that's okay. Like I said before, it's an old gun, so there's going to be a lot of cosmetic imperfections. But as I said before, the barrel itself looks to be in pretty good shape. The bore of the barrel was in pretty good shape as well. It was rusted in there, and I just took my shotgun brush and cleaned it all out after having it soak in the rust removal solution. And it looked pretty clean in there, at least as far down as I could see, shining a light. The issue was with this barrel, you could see that this stock only goes up to you know, a certain length. It doesn't go through the whole length of the barrel. So what happened, or what had occurred, I guess, over time, was all of the parts that were in contact with the original stock were heavily pitted. There's a little bit of rust here I still got to get off. But you could see all the heavy pitting that's on the barrel, and it goes up all the way up until where the stock ends, and then the remainder of the barrel, as well as above the barrel, are not as bad as this. So it's a good thing that part of the barrel is being concealed by the new stock, and I'm not going to worry too much about it. Okay, so this is the stock that came with all of these parts and everything. And as you can see, the stock, or the barrel, does not sit fully within the mortise. So there's going to be some finish inletting that I need to do. What I need to do is I need to cut out some wood from the back wall here, so it'll allow this breech plug tang to move further back, so that these holes will line up. And I need to make sure that I move it back far enough, because you could see here the lock plate here. Well, the lock plate doesn't fit in the mortise either. I've got to refinish getting this mortise inletted out so I can get the lock plate installed. But the touch hole needs to line up with the middle of this pan, and you can see here that doesn't really line up in the middle. So I got to move this barrel backwards a little bit, and so that it'll fit, you know, fully in there, and everything will line up. But before I do that, what I'm going to do first is these are the original barrel lugs that were installed with the gun on the original stock. You can see the holes that have already been drilled for the pins to hold the barrel into the stock, and there's 4 of them. Actually, this one here is for the shoulder strap. But anyway, it's going to be really difficult to inlet these into the stock and then drill a hole through the stock, a blind hole through the stock, and hit exactly where that hole is. I don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut these off and make and solder on new barrel lugs, so that I can have these installed, have the new barrel lugs installed, and then drill through the stock and those new barrel lugs at the same time, which will be a lot easier. So that's what the next project is going to be. I think this is video number 5, and the next video is going to be of me actually doing some actual work on this thing, and that will be to remove these barrel lugs and put in the new ones. Okay, so that's it for now. Castic Bowcraft. Thanks for watching.